Alright, hi guys. So today's Sunday. Today is Independence Day. By the way, happy Independence Day to all Jamaicans. So today is Independence Day, and I'm kind of home alone at the moment. My mom, my dad, and my brother aren't really here. They're out doing some stuff. So I'm taking the opportunity to clean up my room a little bit. I wasn't feeling so well this week, so I wasn't able to do it. Normally I clean my room like during the week and then on the weekends. That's how I try to do it as best as possible. But I didn't get to do it during the week, so I'm gonna do it today. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I have some laundry. I already started some laundry in the washroom already in the machine, so I started some laundry already to put out. And I'm gonna make my bed. I'm gonna clean off my dresser, clean off my chest of drawer, do any other little dusting that I need to do. I don't really have anything to like organize clothes or closet wise. I think I'm kind of okay with that at the moment. And I'm just going to wipe. I did vacuum. That's the only thing I did do. I think I did that yesterday. I did vacuum a little bit yesterday because it was just a bit too dusty for me. So I vacuumed a bit yesterday. And today I think I might go again, but very lightly, and then I will just wipe after. The reason why you see me in these clothes, I was doing a video for my mom. I'm normally just in my house clothes or so, but I was doing a video for my mom, so I'm in jeans and whatever else. So let's just get started cleaning. I don't know if anybody else does this, but you guys can tell me. I have a little, I don't know, I think it's since when like COVID or so I started doing this. So after each layer that I put on the bed or so, I would spray my bed with any like linen freshener or like disinfectant spray for like beds and stuff like that. I normally use it, and I've been doing it since. It's kind of a habit now, and I'm going to be doing it as well. So I'm not changing sheets because I did change my sheets 2 days ago, so I changed my sheets already. So I'm not really doing any more sheet changing right now. I'm just straightening up the bed basically. So after the slip-on sheet, I then spray. And you can just also spray through the room when you're done as well. And then now you would do a top sheet after, like your top sheet, but at this current moment that's a bit too much sheets for me with this hot weather. So like slip on and then top sheet and then your comforter, like it's really hot for that. So normally I just put on either the slip on and the top sheet, or I do slip on or and the comforter, whichever one I have at the moment. I don't think I have a top sheet specifically for this slip on, so I'm just gonna do my comforter. So I finished with my bed. I don't really have like a routine steadily of how I clean my room. I do it any and anyway, honestly. Some people start with dusting first and this and that, but because my room is like not really that bad, I don't really have a specific way to really start out. But I like doing my bed first because once I have my bed made, I feel like I can do everything else. So the bed is made. I don't have too many stuff at the top. I'm one person. I used to have like 2 big pillows and 2 shams and then 2 smaller pillows. and then I had like a bunch of teddy bears and comforters and all that stuff. But I've grown out of that, honestly. I am getting older, so I've grown out of that. So this suffices for me. Normally I like to color coordinate as best as possible, but at this moment, most of those color coordinated like sheets and stuff, they're actually being washed right now. So I'm working with what I have. So when I'm color coordinating and stuff, I'll show you guys that. So now that my bed is made, I'm going to turn to my dresser and actually get that done next. This is my dresser, right? It's a lot less than it used to be. I used to have so many things on my dresser, but I've also kind of grown out of that. I like to just be able to take up and do what I'm doing and get on with my day. I don't like having to search through. It used to be so congested on my dresser that I have to search through everything. I can't bother with that. So we're gonna clean up the dresser. Normally I always put my dresser in specific sections, and what I'm trying to do now is like get you know those rotating type of container stuff to put like perfumes and some other stuff in there. I feel like it will save so much more space on the dresser, so I'm trying to get into that soon. But at this moment I normally section off my dresser. So over here, which is like this side where the bags stop, this is my makeup section. I don't really have a vanity. This is kind of my vanity in a way. So over here, makeup is over to this side. This side is just fragrances, perfume. I have journals that I like writing throughout the days or so right here. And then over here is just like other little my lots of self-care stuff. Moisturizer for my face, lotion, nail polishes, all of that little miscellaneous stuff and whatever, and my tested glasses. And this is the remote for my phone and stuff. So what I do first, I take off everything, I clean the entire area. I also do my mirror. I clean the mirror too with just a little vinegar and some water. Clean the mirror. I clean off the dresser with just a little bit of olive oil and like just a little cloth, and then I dust off everything and I put it back on, and that's just how I do it. So everything is off. I'm going to start off just wiping it down with some olive oil first, and then I go to the glass. That's normally how I do it. I do the surface, the wooden surface here first, and then I do the glass. Easier for if anything touches on the glass, you can just wipe it off back after. I'm just using some olive oil, a little cloth, to just wipe it off. It's wood, so you can use the olive oil on there. Normally they have like these kind of like wood sprays and stuff like that that they use as well, but I don't have it yet. Okay guys, so I'm basically done with the dress now, the cleaning part of it. I'm now just going to dust off the items I had before, put them back on here, and then that'll be it. I'll be done with the dresser, and then I'll just have to do my chest of drawer, which isn't really much. It's just the top of it that just needs to be organized a bit. Outside of that, it's okay. I'm gonna clean up the screen on my TV because it looks a little bit dusty. I don't watch my TV that often, so I'm not really looking at it like that. But it's a little bit dusty from where I am. And then wipe. Actually, no, vacuum for a little bit. Then wipe, and then I'll be done. And that would basically be it for my room. As I said, this is not a deep cleaning because I don't keep my room that dirty like that. I clean during the week and then on the weekends. But yeah, that's about it. I did want to put up my shoe stand. I have a shoe stand. When I moved, I wasn't able to put it back up as yet because I didn't find the space for it as yet. But I would like to put it back up. I want to try to do it today, but I don't know if I have the space to do it as yet today. I haven't mapped it out as to where I would actually put it in the room, so I will definitely have to map it out where I'm going to put it. The only space I have is right underneath my TV right here, but I feel like honestly maybe it can work. We'll see. Okay, my dresser's all done again. You just tilt it. All done. I basically put it back the same way as before. Normally when I change up the positioning of my stuff on my dresser, I have to really think about it. I'm a very big organizer, so when I change up the stuff on my dresser, I really have to put thought into it to know where I'm changing it to and why I'm changing it to there. But this is kind of the setup for it now, and it works with me and I'm okay with it. So I'm now going to focus on my chest of drawer area here that I have the camera on. It's really nothing much, so I don't necessarily need to show that part. And then I'm just gonna dust off my TV. I'm thinking I'm going to put up the shoe stand. It's like a tall shoe stand, but it is detachable, so I think I might do 2 and then 2, so like separate them because it's like 4 sections. So I think I might just do 2 and 2 and just separate them and get them low on the ground. I feel like it will work out better that way, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it and see if it works. You guys will see.
Yeah.
So I finished my chest of drawer, and as you can see, that's how I told. Now the whole setup for the shoes, I kind of figured it out. So it's like this little 2. Let me lift it up and show you. So it comes like that. I got it some time ago. It comes in. It's like a whole long thing, and it's 4 of them. But I didn't want it all the way up because it's like two more supposed to go on top of this and then it comes up, but I didn't want it all the way up like that. I kind of wanted the lower type of vibe right here, just on the ground. You know, I don't really want it all the way up underneath my TV. So I have one right here and I have one behind my door over there on the other side of my chest door. So one right here and one on the other side. So I'm going to put up my shoes because since I came over here, I have not been able to, I didn't get to finish pack out some stuff, so I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to lower the tripod so you can see me a bit better. Alright, that's better. My battery is running low. I'll have to put the camera to charge in a second. So this is the box with all my shoes that I had packed up. Let me just get a scissor. Oh, here we go. Cut the box. And so pull out all these shoes. Because I basically took out everything else already except my shoes. I'm gonna do a second. I duct-taped this up really good. And it's kind of hard to pull my whole. I'm gonna pull it and then come back. Okay, so this is what I did for the shoe section here. So this is one part of it over here, and this is the other part right here. So one's behind the door, one is right there underneath my TV, and so did the dresser and everything. Bed is all made and done. I just took out some laundry a while ago to my laundry basket to do. I'm gonna find somewhere to put that in a minute, but that's about it for my room. And I wiped and mopped and everything. So now I'm going to head to the kitchen to clean up after, like, I did the video so I didn't get to clean up as yet. So now I'm going to go to clean up. Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen now, and mom just called and said that they'll soon come. So I don't really have much in the sink, so I'm just gonna do those dishes now. And I'm gonna take a break and then I'll make, well, breakfast done already, so that will more than likely be just something for lunch.